I would like to introduce the Mad Mentor.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Mad Mentor, and in this video I'll show you how easy it is to install the IPVanish VPN on any Android phone. All you need is an internet connection and access to the Google Play Store, and then when it's installed you'll have IPVanish protecting your device wherever you go, especially if you use public networks. It's going to keep you safe and secure from hackers and prying eyes. So before we get started, if you're new to the channel, subscribe and click on the notifications icon and you'll get alerts for my weekly uploads. So to get things started, I'm going to go ahead and load the Google Play Store. I'm using the Samsung Galaxy S8, but it will work for any Android phone as long as you've got access to the Google Play Store. And then if we click on search and start typing IPVanish, and then as you can see it appears at the top of the list, so go ahead and click it and you'll see this page. So it's IPVanish VPN, 3.5 star, 5,000 reviews, 1 million plus downloads. So go ahead and click install, and as you can see it's going to start downloading. So it's just over 22 megabyte, so give that a moment, and then as you can see it's going to start installing. So when that's finished you can go ahead and click open, and you should see this page. So as you can see it's IPVanish VPN. You've got your username and your password which you use to sign in. So if you already have an account with IPVanish you can just go ahead and input your username and password, but if not you need to purchase one. So if you scroll down just below the video, I've put my link just under the video in the description, and that will automatically apply my discount. So if you go ahead, click the link, as you can see that then takes you through to the IPVanish page. So my discount's going to be automatically applied, so all you need to do is click on start now, and then as you can see you've got 3 different options. You can choose 1 month, 3 months or a year. So go ahead, create your account with your email and your password and choose a payment method, and then when you've finished registration you'll get an email with your username and password. So as you can see I've blurred mine out for obvious reasons, but just go ahead and put in your username, and then you need to put in your password. We can then click login, and you should see this page. So as you can see, IPVanish VPN surf the web securely, and it gives you the option to either begin the tutorial or you can skip this step. So if I click begin tutorial, and as you can see it says you can choose your region, and IPVanish will select the fastest server. So it's always recommended to choose your home country, and if I click next, and the next page tells you that your real IP address will change to the one that's from the server's location. So if I click next again, and it then explains that you can click on a country or city to connect to that region, and then you can click on the number of servers in the region to see more information. So I'm going to click next again, and then the last page is the IPVanish Facebook and Twitter. So I'm going to click next to end the tutorial, and then as you can see we're at the IPVanish main menu. So you don't really need to change much, like I say before, just go ahead and click on your country. My home country is the United Kingdom, so I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom and click on the UK, and then I'm not going to change anything else, it's already set to go. So all we need to do now is click on connect, and then the first time you connect to the VPN you'll see this pop up. So as you can see it says connection request. IPVanish wants to set up a VPN connection that allows it to monitor network traffic, only accept if you trust the source, and as you can see it tells you that the key appears at the top of your screen when the VPN's active. So just click OK and just give it a moment, and then as you can see the VPN's connected. So my IP address is completely changed. As you can see it's put my location as Nottingham, United Kingdom, so it's signed into the Nottingham server, and it also tells you how long you've been connected. So if you take a look below you can see the little chart, so that's going to tell you your network traffic for your traffic going up and your traffic coming down. So that's it, the VPN's just going to run in the background now until you disconnect it. So when you're finished with the VPN just click on disconnect. So before you go, thanks for watching. I hope the video helped you out. Subscribe and click on the notifications icon and you'll get alerts for my weekly uploads. Hit like and comment, which really helps support the channel, and share to all your mates. See you next time.
Peace.